Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam here from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Complete Internet Marketing 2019-20 Success Kit, which launched on the 3rd of July at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. This is a private label rights PLR package launched by Dr. Amit Parikh and the team, and it is a very, very good one indeed. It is, as the title suggests, a complete training on how to succeed with internet marketing in 2019. And so from that reason alone, it is going to be very valuable to members of the Elite Tigers Group. But it obviously comes also with full PLR rights, which means that excuse me, you can sell it on and keep 100% of the profits. You can rebrand it and call it something completely different. You can call it the key to marketing success, or succeed with internet marketing in 2019, or internet marketing mastery, whatever you want to call it. You can rebrand it and put your own name on it. So I could say, okay, I'm going to rebrand this and call it Internet Marketing Mastery by Dawud Islam, and I'm going to put a new cover on it and sell it as my own product. That is all completely allowed with private label rights. You can also give it away as a brilliant lead magnet to attract loads of people onto your list, or you could give it away as a bonus with a paid product. So if this sounds like it's something of interest to you folks, and I should add that this has got a really low front end price, folks, of just $7 if you're quick to act, then listen on to this review video. I'm also going to go through the 5 custom bonuses that I've put together, which you can get from clicking on the link immediately underneath this review video. And I'm going to make a bit of a bold claim here. I reckon that these are probably the best set of bonuses that have ever been offered on a $7 front end product. You will see what I mean when I come to them in just a little while. But I'm also going to make you a deal that I've got an extra additional unadvertised bonus. Yeah. Now, to get this bonus, all you have to do is to give me a thumbs up underneath this review video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel underneath. Yeah. Now, this is regardless of whether you buy this product or not. All right. So this is open to everyone. So click the thumbs up, then click on the subscribe button, and then just drop me an email with the subject line, "I have subscribed," and send it to contact@elitetigersgroup.org. All right, so that is contact@elite, ELITE, elitetigersgroup.org, just with the subject line, "I have subscribed," and then in the body of the email just put your YouTube username so I can check that you did subscribe to my channel, and then I will send you back a free bonus. Yeah, one free bonus item. All right, and that, as I said, that is available to everyone regardless of whether you have picked this product up or not. Okay, so what exactly is success in internet marketing, or Complete Internet Marketing 2019-20 Success Kit? Well, if you're still struggling to reach potential customers and want to boost sales for your products and services, now it's your ultimate chance to slap your name onto a brand new, up-to-date and top-quality complete internet marketing training for big profits week after week easily. Limited copies with full private label rights. So as I said, top-quality training to sell under your own name, hottest and proven seller topic on the web, ready to go sales material to start selling today. You can sell unlimited copies. There's no monthly charges, no hidden fees, no profit sharing. You keep 100% of all the money. Keep all the leads generated, including the buyers, and you can do almost anything that you want with it, folks. Yeah. So it's very easy to set up. It's a top-notch product. You get professional sales material to sell it with, and you keep 100% of the profits. We will come back, I promise you folks, and go through exactly what is contained in this training course. But just some very quick ideas on what you can do with it. You can sell it for anywhere between $9 and $97. You'd probably be pushing it at $97 to be honest. But the front end, which is like the book version of the course, and then the first upsell is the video version, I would say you can easily sell the front end for either $9 or $19. And the video version of the course, I would say you could sell that for 27 or 37. That would be my suggestion. Yeah. You can use it to create a private membership. You can use it to build your own list by offering it as a gift. You can use it as a high quality bonus to your products. You can use it to train your team. Yeah, very good. Use it as high quality content for your seminar, webinar, or training. Okay, so let's have a look at these bonuses then, which, as I said, you can get to click on the link underneath and see if they live up to the hype. By the way, on this page, you'll also find this is just a very short trailer. This isn't the full version, but this is an example of the video that you will get that you can use to sell this product. If you intend to sell it on to people, then you can use this video here. It's a doodle style video, and we'll just have a quick
Hello,
look.
aspiring marketers. Are you still struggling to reach potential customers and boost sales for your products and services? To achieve your objectives, are you searching for the most proven and tested strategies? Then it's time.
So you get the idea, folks. So, you know, you will get obviously the full version of that video to use to sell on this product if you decide to do that. All right, so these are my bonuses. Now, should add, of course, that these are custom bonuses, which means they're exclusive to me. You won't be able to get them from any other affiliate. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of 2019 to 20 Success Kit, because remember, you can always come back to this page, back to this YouTube video when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are way better and way different to what anyone else is offering. So the first course that I'm going to offer you is a complete internet marketing for beginners video course. Yeah, this is an hour-and-a-half masterclass, yeah, going through absolutely everything in a really easy to understand tutorial on how to get started in internet marketing if you're a newbie and you're brand new. Yeah, so this is a really great training. And then, if you're ready for it, folks, we've got a digital marketing 11-hour masterclass. It's actually 11 hours and a half, yeah? So this, you won't be able to watch this all in one sitting, folks, but it is a straight-on video, so it's 11 and a half hours of content, and it will tell you, it will go into a hell of a lot of detail, as you can imagine, about all aspects of marketing online. Yeah, so you've got essentially what I would say is this is like a newbie course. Yeah, and then this is like newbie to advanced. Yeah, you will learn a lot more things that build on the work from the first one, but this is 11 and a half hours of content, folks. I'm giving this away, remember, for a product that costs around $7 on the front end. The third bonus is affiliate marketing for complete beginners, and again, this is about an hour and a half of content, folks, and it will talk you through how to get started in affiliate marketing if you're a complete newbie. So that is another 1.5 hours. So that is that's 15.5 hours worth of content I've given you. I haven't even finished yet. The next one is a social media masterclass. This is a 2019 bonus. Those first three, by the way, this is the very first time that I've offered these bonuses. I've offered this one just a handful of times before, and this is another hour and a half on how you can market using social media in 2019. It goes into all the major platforms. And then I'm just going to throw in this course as an add-on, a great little course called Easy Passive Paydays from Anthony Mancuso that was on sale last year. I think you'll really like this course, so I'm throwing it in. I don't know what value you want to put on these, folks. You're talking about hundreds of dollars anyway, and I'm throwing them all in on the front end, folks, for that $7 price tag. All right, so hopefully that makes the decision a no-brainer. But we'll go through and we'll have a look at what's included in this course anyway. Usual sort of stuff on the sales marketing page, so you can read through this. By the way, there's some incredible bonuses from the vendor as well, which I'll get to in a minute. Dr. Amit has given me 20 bonuses to give to you. Yeah, so if you don't pick this up, there's something wrong with you, to be quite honest. Yeah, because you're talking about 25 bonuses plus an amazing product for $7. Yeah. Okay, it's a completely new PLR, and this is what's included, folks. So you've got your high quality training guide. That's your first module. And these are the chapters. What is internet marketing in 2019-20 all about? Optimizing your website for search engines, so SEO. creating blogs that attract organic traffic, how to get your YouTube videos ranked, how to compose killer social media marketing posts, amplifying your reach with a paid Facebook marketing campaign, generating qualified website traffic with a Google Ads campaign, how to create a powerful email marketing campaign, I'll get it right in a minute, recovering abandoned visitors with remarketing. This one is really crucial, folks. Generating more leads on autopilot with a Facebook Messenger bot. This is the hot one for 2019, folks. Bots are big, yeah. Chapter 11, how to funnel more qualified leads and referral traffic to all your marketing channels with a giveaway. Chapter 12, building a complete internet marketing plan. 13, alternative internet marketing methods that make instant money. Internet marketing strategies number 14 for e-commerce enthusiasts. 15, internet marketing best practices. 16, advanced internet marketing tips and tricks that work in 2019 to 20. Internet marketing do's and don'ts. 17, 18, internet marketing premium tools and services. 19, shocking case studies, and 20, FAQs, frequently asked questions. Yeah, so everything that you need to market online, folks. Yeah, we all need this information. If you're brand new, this course and the bonuses with it's gold dust, folks. Yeah, don't turn it down. Module 2 is a cheat sheet. Module 3 is a mind map. Module 4, top resources report. Module 5, high converting sales copy to sell this on. Professional mini sites. If you click this button on the sales page, you will actually be able to have a look at a demo of one of these mini sites with a video on it. Yeah, there's 6 different sites according to what color design you want. Doodle style sales video, you've seen that. Swipe emails to sell, complete set of banners, complete set of professional graphics, and some testimonials there as well, folks. Yeah. These are normal bonuses, so these are actually on top of the 25, would you believe, folks? Yeah. So how to set up a killer funnel, an A to Z video series. In fact, that's the only extra bonus. So $7, folks. That is all this is going to cost you. It's going up on a dime sale. So like, even if it's 8 or 9 by the time you see this, I mean, come on, this is like madness. Do's and don'ts. Obviously, the only thing that you can't do with PLR is sell on the PLR rights again yourself, but anything else you can do. All right, so let's have a look then. So these are the bonuses, 20 bonuses that Dr. Amit has given me to give to you. Now, I'm not going to read all of these. Obviously, you won't be able to see this page. So if you want to look at any of these in more detail, then I'm just going to go down at this sort of speed, so you can freeze the screen and pause the screen and watch them. Yeah, so I'm just going to give you the title of these 20 bonuses, or we'll be here all day. Yeah, so bonus 1 is modern email marketing and segmentation video upgrade. I should add that all of these products are PLR, so they all have PLR rights that come with them. So you can also sell on any of these. Some of them come with sales pages as well, and a lot of them have got video content. All right. Bonus 2, email list building gold. Bonus 3, profit builders. Bonus 4, mobile marketing guide. Bonus 5, 30 days content marketing plan. Bonus 6, modern social media marketing video upgrade. Bonus 7, boost your website traffic. Bonus 8, niche marketing secrets video upgrade. When it says video upgrade, this means that it was the upsell of a product. So niche marketing secrets was a product, and this is the video upgrade. That's the first upsell that came with that product. Yeah. Bonus 9, 7-figure mastery. Bonus 10, the digital marketing lifestyle. Bonus 11, the complete internet marketing strategy. Bonus 12, internet marketing methods case study. Bonus 13, advanced traffic blueprint. Bonus 14, YouTube channel income. Bonus 15, Facebook retargeting secrets. Bonus 16, Facebook ads video upgrade, another upgrade for you. Bonus 17, utilizing Facebook for your online business. Bonus 18, affiliate marketing profit kit video upgrade, another one. Bonus 19, 100k Google AdSense blueprint pack. And bonus 20 is your website losing you business. Yeah. That, folks, I have to say is a pretty incredible bundle, even if you weren't getting those amazing bonuses from me. Okay, so we've seen it's going to cost you $7, folks, yeah? You get all of the stuff that I've shown you. You get the fully rebrandable training guide, the doodle style sales video, the mini sites in 6 versions, your mind maps, your cheat sheets, your sales copy, your email swipes, your banners, your graphics, how to set everything up, video training showing you what to do, top resources report, and some extra bonuses, which we've just had a look at. Now, these are, the upsell is $47, folks, and for that you get the course as videos, yeah? So you get 20 step-by-step video tutorials, yeah? Now, I strongly recommend you pick it up, folks, because it's going to be a lot easier to sell this, and even if you're giving it away, it is worth spending that money on high-quality PLR, folks, because everyone that you get on your list that is engaged with your list and really wants to be there because you've given them something great, they talk about a person on your list being worth like $1 a month, I think they say, don't they? So you will get your money back from this, folks, yeah? So it is well worth picking that up. The next upsell, I haven't got details of what it is. I think it's a done for you version, folks, and it's $97. It's not actually on here, yeah, so you have to have a look at that. And then we've got the membership to Dr. Amit's regular PLR, and this is a $1 trial for 30 days, and then it's $27 a month, and you'll get regular new PLR delivered to you every single month. And there is a very high ticket upsell. If you like what you're seeing here and you would like the vendor to actually create from scratch a product for you that you can sell, well, that is $5K, folks, but you can be sure that it would be high quality. So if you don't want to go through all the hassles of product creation, which I can tell you will probably come to more than that, then you may want to consider that. That's entirely up to you. All right, so I'm certainly recommending that you take the video upsell, folks. If you want that first upsell, by the way, without the bonuses, it is going to be available on a downsell at $37. So if you like the idea of the videos, but you don't want the extra bonus items that come with it, just turn it down and you'll be offered it again at $37. All right. So that is pretty much it, folks. Just a reminder of all these cool bonuses that I'm offering you. Pretty much one of my best ever bundles, I think. Yeah, all of these you will get, along with those 20 additional bonuses. There they all are from the vendor. And to get them, all you need to do, as I said, is click on any of these green buttons. That will take you through to the sales page. Scroll down to the bottom, click on add to cart, pay your $7. That will bring you into the back office at Warrior Plus. Click on the green button to access your product, and then click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses. And that, folks, is all there is to that. So as ever, I'd like to thank you for watching and indeed listening to this review video. This has been Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Complete Internet Marketing 2019-20 Success Kit.